Hi guys, I'm going to show you another way to change an image color if that first one doesn't work, because it's not going to be applicable to all images. So you can also use this method in case you have another image like this. So the first thing you're going to do is just to create a rectangle. So this rectangle will serve as an overlay, and this is where you're going to do the work. So you make the width and the height the same width and height as the image. Then you come to your pass through and change it to color bomb. Then you put the preferred color of your choice. Then you put this rectangle overlay on your image. Now you can see that the image color has changed to what you want it to how you want it to be like. So you can change it to any color of your choice. Now, if you want to change the color of an image, you can use either this method or the first method. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in my next video, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't, and do not forget to turn on your notification bell to get more tips and tutorial about UI UX design and other tech related talks. Bye. I'll see you in my next video.